Welcome to the presentation of Mira, the first autonomous medical AI agent designed to step out of the traditional chat box and integrate directly into complex hospital workflows. Developed using standards-compliant framework, Mira marks a major paradigm shift toward real-world clinical automation.
While today's AI models are excellent at answering medical trivia, real medicine requires multi-step actions. Human doctors don't just chat. They actively gather data, order tests, and log decisions directly inside electronic health record systems, capabilities that AI has completely lacked until now.
Mira stands for Medical Intelligence for Reasoning and Action. It is an autonomous AI agent operating securely inside a simulated FHIR-compatible EHR sandbox, capable of navigating over 85,000 distinct clinical tools and operations to translate its medical knowledge into actionable hospital workflows.
Mira mimics the exact logical, step-by-step workflow of a human physician. It starts by conversing to extract patient history, uses a powerful reasoning engine to establish a working hypothesis, investigates by ordering specific blood and imaging tests, and finally executes structured treatment plans. In a simulated emergency department scenario involving acute appendicitis, Mira independently navigated the entire clinical pathway. Without any human oversight, it took the patient's history, bypassed unnecessary tests, systematically gathered the right lab and CT evidence, and correctly ordered a surgical appendectomy. To rigorously evaluate its capabilities, researchers designed a head-to-head blind test pitting Mira against board-certified physicians and residents. Using real-world historical data from over 500 emergency room cases, Mira was tested across a diverse spectrum of conditions, ranging from simple infections to pancreatic cancer. The results were remarkable. In direct comparisons under identical conditions, Mira achieved an overall diagnostic accuracy of 88.9%, slightly outperforming human doctors at 87.8%. In the specific appendicitis subtest, Mira achieved a stunning 98.6% accuracy compared to the human benchmark of 93.0. Knowing a disease is only half the battle. Treating it safely is the rest. Mira outperformed human doctors by an average of 35% when it came to strictly adhering to the latest, most stringent medical treatment guidelines, demonstrating superior accuracy in prescribing optimal antibiotics and selecting correct painkillers. A major fear with autonomous AI is that it might waste hospital resources by over-testing to be safe. However, the reality proved the opposite. While Mira ordered slightly more routine blood tests, it actually ordered fewer expensive radiology scans than human doctors, aligning perfectly with optimal resource stewardship. Researchers actively stress-tested Mira against adversarial prompt injection attacks, medication error risks, and patient trait biases. Mira maintained exceptionally stable diagnostic accuracy across all bias scenarios, passed strict kidney function and drug interaction checks, and resulted in 0 instances of premature diagnostic leaks. Ultimately, Mira proves that AI can safely navigate the complex realities of hospital systems. The goal, however, is not to replace human doctors, but to collaborate with them, letting the AI handle heavy administrative lifting and initial test ordering so physicians can focus entirely on the human side of medicine. In conclusion, Mira represents the future of healthcare technology. By proving expert-level competence and successfully moving AI from simple text-based advice to autonomous clinical action, this ultimate partnership promises to vastly improve hospital efficiency, reduce medical errors, and enhance patient safety.